But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So story time, and uno no say and me bring the baddest wickedest story them come right, yes sir. So now move now go now it cause story time. Anyways, people, me stress right out because tonight's story is gonna be when I first had lesbian sex. Yes, when I first had lesbian sex. So una not go nowhere. Stay right there, so don't move because of that story. Yeah, it's interesting as hell. Some people will find it funny, while some people probably not find it funny. But me not care because at the end of the day, and everybody are gonna like what you do and what you say. So don't move. Stay right there. So remember, hit the subscription button right now. If you're there and you watch the video and you don't subscribe yet, you need to subscribe like right now. Hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you want me to tell you next. Because you don't know, say me have a story for everything, don't it? Yeah. So right now, we're going to start the first time I had lesbian sex. Yeah, guys. So, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for staying tuned. If you're still watching this video, I love you so much. And remember, I'm going to be giving away a phone card giveaway just now. I'm also doing shout outs. But I cannot do it right now because I broke my other phone and I can't depend this and I give shout out because I don't know who I give shout out to. I'm a pen pint. Listen, I'm not done shout out today. Argument done. Period. Alright, so I'm just gonna start telling you guys how it happened when I first had lesbian sex. Girl touch me, I'ma touch girl back. Uvex. Ooh, in them feelings. Side chick song. Me open my feelings for your next girl, man. Alright, on a side chick time right now. But alright, so basically what happened was like I have this cousin and I never met her before. So all along me hear people talk about the girl and like I always hear my family I talk about say like our family is very big. We have family almost every country. Cause our family really, really big. But this girl now, this particular girl, she come from Germany. Now, me no speak, I think German speak Dutch. She did teach me something from a little bit. She teach me one thing in a German. It's Ich liebe dich. If somebody pan here know what it mean, please tell me, comment remember. I think she did say it mean I love you. I honestly don't remember what it meant. Or what it means. Or what it did supposed to mean. Whatever. I don't remember. So if somebody there understand German language, wanna tell me what Ich liebe dich mean, please and thanks. So anyways, people, my cousin, she come from Germany, and she started come to church. So my grandmother now did a first elder, my my grandmother's sister. So you call it great-grand-aunt? Yeah. My great-grand-aunt, my cousin live with she because how the family thing work out now, see? My grandmother is my grandmother. My grandmother's sister is her grandmother. So we're cousins, but we don't live together because my grandmother's sister live on her own, run a Waterloo. Yeah, we are taught the story. And me now live a Harry Watch. So push come to shove, my love. Somebody bought them two and somebody did over this and somebody ball out run a back. Me go sub boom and realize say my cousin pretty. Yeah, my cousin nice. The girl look good. She look real good. The girl pretty. But me never tune on about lesbianism. So me did just like see her and I say, oh, she nice and she pretty. And you know she can go on and ask that comfort and somebody did run this or somebody. We don't know how it go. So anyways, now, like, because I always come around and stuff, but I realized, like, more when she come around, she look for me some way, like, you know, them little look like. You know them little look there? Yeah, them little pretty look there and stuff. So she always give me them little look there. And like, we are play, more we are play, and she touch all upon my titty and touch all upon my bottom and something. But, wait, she younger than me or she old? I don't think she older than me. Either we are same age or she younger than me. One out of two of them, but probably she like a year younger than me. I don't remember, but we probably in the same age group or 1 year apart each other. But I don't think she's older than me. I don't remember her age. So sweet a joke. I can go to the joke now. Me and my cousin didn't know. And like we go church together with everything together. You see it? Because we get love each other and sitting out. So it's like if somebody for fight, she and me and her. Anything and me and her, always me and her. So it's like for weeks we take a little time and monkey around each other and something because I realize that like she like me. So you know, so when you're not lesbian, people have to teach you how the lesbianism thing go. So the thing is, she was actually my first. Yeah, I have other girlfriends. I have had other girlfriends after, but she was my first. Yeah, my cousin took my virginity. She take what my virginity. yeah. She took mine. Anyways, so yeah, my cousin took my virginity. Uvex. My cousin took my virginity. I'm gonna feel no way. Me no feel no way. Me no feel no way. Me no feel no way. So, as for me, that's it, right? Me no feel no way. Alright, so basically, I'm telling you what happened. It's like one night, our grandmother did have something for them. I don't really remember what our grandmother did have for them. So our grandmother asked my grandmother if she can stay by 4 years. But basically, I really push it because, you know, as kids, like, for go to your grandparents, especially if your grandparents kind of hostile, and say, Mama, because I used to call my grandmother Mama, and I call my grandfather Dada. Some people call for them grandparents Grandpa and stuff like that, or Grandma. I don't do that. My grandmother is Mama for me. And my grandfather is Dada for me. And when me want to I call him Ma Slide. And when I call my grandmother Miss Clara. Yeah. Mr. Miss Clara, come here. How we are talk to? Yeah. Then wait there. I call Ma Slide, come Ma Slide don't business. Ma Slide just want to say a phone card there or something. Ma Slide is gonna be there. So anyways, back to the story, see? I don't know what happened with Fear grandmother the night, but our grandmother asked my grandmother to make she stay over 4 years, but we did kind of instigate it for in the day when we got church together. Cause all of we got same church. So all of we got church the morning, and the whole of we are tell them say, "Oh no, come up here, come sleep no." But our grandmother kind of funny, but we never did know say our grandmother did actually have something to do for send them up a yard. So we know tell for we grandmother to ask for them grandmother to make them stay with we. So for them grandmother, for we grandmother did already ask for grandmother to make them stay with we. So when church over and everybody got them respectful home, they came with us. So when they come with we now and so home, the whole of we as a cousin, whole of we are sleep on the back room. But everybody have them own room. So but you know what's a true say, you know, we not always have company and them look something. Mama never too really appear in her mind, but Mama did get suspicious further on up in the night, me soon to the other part they gone. So basically what happened now is me and my girl cousin them, all of we in the same room, Taj. Lord God, me call Taj name. Taj Ush. But Ush. But all of we in the same room, I go and enjoy ourselves and go on. So we did it, and me, I did 4 away. I think I did 4 away lie down in the room. 4 away. Yeah, 4 away in the room. And it's like, we all with the on the bed and we are play around and we are feel up with one another and we are the one bag of fuckery. We are the one bag of foolishness, you know. So I'm going to say, boom, now I love and I sit down. And my cousin start kiss me, like, really kiss me and suck out my tongue. Big man kiss me, I tell you, know. And she has suck my titty. And she tell me I must do the same thing. And I kiss back for her titty. And I suck out back her tongue. And we are going with ourselves. We are feel up with another. We are feel up with one another cho-cho. Yeah, we are feel up cho-cho. And we are going, you know, master. I tell us I feel good. I feel like I'm in heaven. Nothing ever feel good so. But, like, inserting the finger in the vagina, we never did that part because I think she never really understand the whole lesbian thing either. I think she was experimenting likewise me because the whole insertion part of it was like completely not there. It was just about a kissing, who a kiss who ya so, who a kiss who there so, and then guess what? We never did know say, pum pum can't suck, cause we did young. And then them time they like, you know, nowadays everybody's okay with oral sex, but at that time, me never know say vagina can't suck, and she never know say vagina can't suck. And probably if we didn't know say it could have suck, we'd have suck one in the front, hands down, yeah, we don't do it. If we didn't know say, could have gone, we would have do it, but we never know, that's the thing. So, my first experience was, it was okay, but it was a little bit kind of offish too, because at the end of the day, like, me never did know say, pum pum can't suck, and she never know say, pum pum can't suck, pum pum can't suck. Yeah, but I will never know say pum pum could have did suck, so we never reached that extreme. No, people, let me tell you no. Right? Me did develop a piece of love for my cousin. Me don't know where it come from. Me never know say girl kiss up girl and love up girl and them. Something they could have that strong connection there. Yes. I loved her so much after everything. Cause me feel like say, yeah, I'm gonna find somebody who love me very, but we are cousin. No, what happened make the two with the kind of fall out little bit and did stop kiss up and love up and stuff. So my grandmother, she come in the room. Each time we do something like, every time when mama hear the bed car, we don't know why the bed them, when the bed them are nice and the bed them are squeak and them look at something there. But the bed never like squeak, but movements like, she knows there's something wrong because she could have tell say we had do something. Because every time she just come in the rooms and I ask, what not do? What go on around here? We are saying we not do nothing, man, sleep, we are sleep and stuff. But mama knows that we not sleep because we are saying we not do nothing, but we are asleep, we are sleep. So each time ma come, we wake up and we are telling ma say asleep, we are sleep. So ma knows that we not sleep. So it's like, up to this day, as God live it, me don't know if ma knows say, we that do things, but ma never say nothing. Ma never say nothing. Ma never ask me about it. Ma did just, he come like ma could bother. Ma probably did feel like something going, but she probably could have come to her senses to say, yeah, we really run there. I do things. Yeah, me I tell her, say, me and my cousin go out with a piece of summer girl. And then my other cousin them in the bed, so it's like, you know, so come to think of it, I'm the threesome already. You know I'm the threesome already, come to think of it, do I never had a meds this. Because after I would in the bed, and the whole I would did that touch up and kiss up and love up and hug up and stuff. So it look like we do threesome. No, wait, a foursome that. But me bad man. Me never know something bad. Me bad. I did a foursome. Yeah. So, me the foursome I never even did know. But seriously guys, that was my first lesbian relationship. Well, that was my first lesbian experience. It was not a relationship. It was just, it wasn't even sex. I don't even know if to describe it or explain it. But we kiss up and we love up and we hug up. And the reason why we vex, I want boy brown. A brown make we vex. Brown make we fight. Me and my cousin fight over man. And right now, me and him there, and him and she there, because she gone back at Germany. And him have him family now. And like, he's, you know, not, for, no, I'm not looking right there. We're not, no. So yeah, guys, basically, that is my experience trying out the lesbian thing for the first time. It was with my cousin. We had sex, but it wasn't sex, cause no, we never finger each other. We never suck nothing, cause we never know say tick to that suck. And why she never finger me though? Me know why me never do it. Me never do it cause me never know about it. Like, my first time. But why she never put her finger in my vagina? Like, and I say it's supposed to go. You know me go trace her. Me I try to find out. Yeah. Me ask her say, why would the sex the time there? You need put in your finger because you did supposed to do that. Because right now she make me experience lame. Yeah, me experience lame. Me have got, listen guys, I'm going to give you guys a second experience. When me know what me I do, I'm going with myself. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I know it's not that funny, but I hope you guys had a laugh. The only reason why it's so boring is because the experience was boring. It wasn't really much. We never told nothing, and my grandmother never find out because she never said anything to me about it. So I never get no lick for it. Like, it wasn't extravagant. It was just two females in a bed with two other girls, kiss up, hug up, almost get catch, didn't get catch, go to bed. So it's lame, I know, but I don't know what to think of. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos.